All right, let's take a look on how to use the flow chart. We have to first look at n. So the n is going to be the number outside of your radical. So n, in this first example, n is an even number, so we're going to go down to the even route, and now we have to look at a, which is the number inside. We don't really care about the number, we just care about the sign. Then the sign is negative, so we are going to go down the negative route, and there is no real solutions for this particular radical, so no real solutions. Okay, now let's look at the next one. I know there's not a number here on the outside. There's an invisible 2, though. It's a square root, so square roots have an even root. So we're going to still go down this even path. Now looking at the number on the inside, positive 60. We don't really care about the number. We care that it's positive, though. So going down the positive route, we see that there are two real roots. So 2 real solutions, roots, x-intercepts, it's all interchangeable. Now, for the last one, hopefully you see the pattern. By now, we're looking at that number 5 on the outside first. It is an odd number. And at that point, it doesn't even matter what's inside the root. It's going to be one real root, one real solution.